If you need to download the bill or invoice for your GoDaddy purchase, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find your order history and download your GoDaddy invoice in just a few clicks. This is helpful if you need receipts for bookkeeping, taxes, business records, or just want to keep your purchases organized. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into the account that was used to make the purchase. This is important because your invoices are tied to the specific account that placed the order. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon in. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage billing, purchases, and other account details. Now, on the Account Settings page, look at the sidebar and click on Order History. This is where GoDaddy stores your past transactions and invoice records. After that, you'll see a list of your orders. Go ahead and select the order you need the bill for. If you've purchased multiple products or services, make sure you choose the correct one so you download the right invoice. Once you open the order details, you'll be able to see the invoice information for that purchase. This is where you can find all the billing details associated with the order. To download it, look for the option to export or download the information. In this case, click Export to CSV to save the invoice data to your device. Depending on your needs, this file can help you keep a record of your GoDaddy billing history and payment details. If you're using the invoice for accounting or tax purposes, it's a good idea to save the file in a clearly labeled folder so you can find it later. You can also repeat these steps for any other orders you need bills for. That makes it easy to collect all of your GoDaddy invoices in one place without having to contact support or search through emails. And that's it. You've now learned how to download your GoDaddy bill using the order history section inside your account. It only takes a few moments once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.